Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video today, I'm going to be coming at you with mining Amethyst for 1 hour at 92 mining. I'm going to be hitting you with the XP per hour and the GP per hour. Take a look around there. Look at all them crystals. I'm about to be pounding those things out of the wall, breaking my back, showing you guys what's going on, because we're out here trying to make some money. I was wondering what the GP per hour was. I looked on all the other YouTube videos, couldn't find anything. So what do you do if you play RuneScape? You go out there, waste like 100 hours of your day, get 92 mining, and make a video on it yourself. So I'm going to start this timer off here real quick. We're going to be going 60 minutes on this. I'm going to be coming right back to you right about the midway point through the hour, and I'm going to be coming right back at you at the end of this video after the hour. So Amethyst, it's going to be inside of the mining guild if you didn't know anything about that. It was a introduction in a recent update, not really recent anymore since it took forever to get 92 mining, probably about a year ago now. But these crystals, man, they're looking nice. They're like, oh man, poking out the wall, like, oh, I'm gonna pound you out the wall, big dog. Like, yo, these things, I don't know, like, they have good value. They're worth like 3,717 GP at current GP prices. GE prices, what am I talking about? GE prices. But I think it looks really nice in the inventory. I'm out here breaking my back on this stuff. The reason why you're not going to make very much money doing this, I wouldn't say not very much money. It's not like chopping U-logs or magic logs. You get like 80K an hour. Like, you're just going to be breaking your back at 92 mining. As we wrap this up, in 1 hour I mined 84 amethyst crystals. 84. As we break that down, that's going to come out to be 312K GP. I'm going to get you that in the price check in just 1 second. And it was just a little bit under 21K XP per hour. The reason why I would not recommend this is because you can get 50K, 55K XP an hour at the Motherlode mine and make 500K an hour. One reason why you'd want to do Amethyst, though, it has the highest chance of dropping the mining pet. So I hope I give you guys this little hour, a little bit of information in there. I hope you guys learned a lot about Amethyst. Maybe I'll come at you with some more old school RuneScape videos. Tell me how you guys like them in the comment section. Tell me what's up. Should I make a video at 99 mining? Will I ever get 99 mining? I don't know. Nah, I don't know about that. Thinking about that. But maybe in 10 years, maybe I'll have an old white beard and I'll be showing you guys a 99 mining video. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed as always.